Hi, everybody. Welcome. And I'm Jackie Schwartz with Planet Einstein. You are on Planet Einstein's Digital Learning Lab, which is our new page for our new business venture. And actually, what we're going to be talking about today is something that I'm seeing a lot of business owners doing wrong. So I want to help you do it right. And that is, I see a lot of people still promoting their business from personal profiles on Facebook. That is something you don't want to do. You want to have a separate business page that is totally independent of your personal profile. It is totally and solely for the use of getting information out about your business, not necessarily things related to your personal life. Here we go. My Facebook page. Okay, so this is the Jackie Schwartz one personal profile. So let's go first to that blue bar at the very top of your profile and see where it says create. Let's click on that button that says create. And what we want to create right now is a business page. And this says create page. Now, it will bring you to this screen, and this screen is where you need to decide what is your business. Are you a business or brand, or are you a community or public figure? Most of us are going to be a business or brand. So what you want to do is click on the Get Started button on that page, and then you will start giving Facebook information to fill out your business page. So you want to name your page. What is the name of your business? Your name probably won't go here unless the business is your name. So anyway, what I would be putting here is Planet Einstein. Let's think of a new category. I'm not actually going to fill one out because I don't have another business I need to put on here right now. But let's say this is where I do all my video production. So let's say it's Planet Einstein Media. And I would fill that in. The category would be, and let's see, if what I want to type in there, let's say it is, it's not really video productions, it's marketing videos. You want to add a profile picture. And if you are the face of your brand, I would suggest that you do use a picture of you, maybe a picture of you in your role in that business. So upload a profile picture. It's going to ask me to choose a picture. So let me find one real quickly for me to use. See if I have a picture of me in this. And it took that. Now I want to upload a cover photo. And you can do a cover photo as a photo image or as a video. I really like to use a video for my cover picture because it grabs people's attention. And you want to make sure you have it the right dimensions. I do a lot of my cover photos in a tool called Canva. Canva, that is a graphic design, and it gives you, for example, you tell Canva this is for a cover photo on Facebook, and it will automatically put your picture that you unload into Canva in that format with the right dimensions. So let me see if I can find something on here that will work as a cover photo. I'll just choose that one, see if that works. Okay, if you want online booking, you can click this. If you don't want it, click not now. And voila, at this point, you have the beginning of a new Facebook's page, business page. So there's the name. Right underneath the name of the company, there's a username, and you want to click on that and put the username. I'd probably put Jackie at Jackie Pet Sitting or PE Pet Sitting all together, no spaces, and create username, and you're all set. Okay, on the username. Now, what you want to do is go through each of these settings at the top and fill out whatever is on that page. And then anytime you need to get back to the main page, you click on page and it comes back up. Then you want to go down the side bar and fill out everything. You filled out the home page now, which is where we are. Then you want to go to services and showcase your services. So you could, put pictures in there, a description, but let people know what your company offers. A lot of people don't bother to fill this out. Big mistake, because people can find you from this, and they can look at your Facebook business page and get your phone number and know where you are. You can even put on a map what your location is. You want to put reviews on there if you have them, or you want to encourage people to give you reviews. You can manage your promotions from here, but all these tabs at the top are things you need to fill out. So be sure you go through every single one of them and see that they are complete and that you have done your best to make this as finished and polished a page as possible. Now, what you can also do, and I'll go back to my real business page in just a second. As a matter of fact, I'll do that now, because I want to show you what you can do to, I'll have to come back and remove this page after we're done here today. All right, let me take you to Planet Einstein, my Planet Einstein business page. And when we go up here to the top, here's all the tabs we were looking at right below the blue bar, and all the tabs we were looking at down the side. So when I go to About, I have everything filled in here about Planet Einstein, about Max and me, my husband, who is the owner with me, co-owner. I am primary owner. He officially works for me, but we won't tell him that. Anyway, I even have what our mission is, what our hours are, what we are, username, and contact information, company overview. Now, here's something, I hope it doesn't totally confuse you, but it was just announced 2 days ago by Facebook that they are changing this, and I believe the projected change date. So if you have a business page already, you're not setting one up from scratch, things are going to change. They are doing away with several of these things right here. They're taking away, I believe, the About section. It's all going to be primarily the company description, and you'll need to include everything in that previously had been in the About Us or the About section or some of the other sections. And again, this was a preliminary announcement, but supposedly this change is happening in August. So that's pretty soon. Again, for contact info, make sure you have a phone number in there for people to be able to reach you if they want to do business with you. And again, the about the company overview, general information, our founding date, a biography, what my gender is, what products we serve. So you may not have even known this was in here, but it is really important to have it all filled out. Now, here's another one that I wanted to show you briefly. See the things here at the top, and there's all kinds of cool things you can do with this that I'm not going to go in today, but I do want to show you this, and that is this insights. And I'm sharing with you, this is an overview of what's happened on my page. And first, I'll give a disclaimer by saying I've ignored this page in the last 7 days because I've been concentrating on Planet Einstein Digital Learning Lab. So my numbers may be down a little bit, but let's take a look. I'm being totally transparent with you here. All right, my page views are down. It's showing I had 2 this week. My page previews, it's not showing, it says insufficient data. Page likes actually is up. Post reach is 17% up, 1,243. Story and recommendations, no data. Post engagements, I had 37 people engage, which I'm happy with for 7 days. Responsiveness, and this ranks you. How quickly do you respond to alerts or notifications or messages? It will come in terms of giving you a report for your ability to respond quickly, or it'll give you a report if you respond badly. Okay, videos, I have 52 watches of 3 seconds or more of my videos, which is plus up 86%. Got 2 more page followers, and orders. I'm not selling anything on my website, but go through this report. It will show you results of everything you've done on your page, your 5 most recent posts. It'll give you all the numbers of organic reach, and if you had ads running, of your paid reach. And just yesterday, just today's results, or the last 28 days of results. So anyway, that's a really good way to keep tabs on what kind of results. So you know, is what you're doing working? Are you getting users? Are you getting views of your videos? Are people seeing your post? And if not, you need to take some action and do the right things. So anyway, one other thing I want you to be familiar with on your business page, and we'll go up to this on the blue bar again. You see where, if you go back to your home page, then it says home and then create. You want to click on the create button, and that's actually the same button we click to create this page, but this time we want to go down to add. This is where you go and what you should be using to promote your business instead of the boost post. This is the Ads Manager tool, and how you get to this tool. And this is about a 6-week-long course that we won't have time to go into today. So the first step in that journey is having a Facebook business page. So that's why I wanted to show you this week why you needed a Facebook business page. Number one reason is because you have to have one if you are promoting a business. And you also have to have a business page to do ads. So there are just a handful of reasons you needed this business page first. So that's your homework. Get your business page built. Don't make it boring. Make it clever. Use catchy photos, images. Don't, for heaven's sake, put a logo on there as your picture. Nobody's going to be attracted to a logo. You know, your whole goal is for it to catch somebody's attention. Be different. Be the purple cow. And if you don't know what that means, read Seth Godin's book on the purple cow.